Assalamualaikum and good day to the panel. My name is Saiful Ridzwan bin Nur Azman from Group EMD 6M3A1. I'll be presenting on my final project for MEC 522 on the smart home system. Basically, a smart home system should have a smart door where I pair it with the ultrasonic sensor and the micro servo, a smart light bulb which can be controlled from the IR remote, a gas sensor which can detect the smoke or fire and the piezo will light up, and the temperature sensor where it can sense the degree of temperature and indicates by using the LED. So there are a few components that I have used in this final project, such as ultrasonic sensor, a micro servo, an IR remote with its IR sensor, a light bulb, a gas sensor, a piezo, resistors, 3 LED bulb, and a temperature sensor. So I'll be explain one by one about each of the component. So for the smart door, the input for this smart door is the ultrasonic sensor, and the output is the micro servo. So once people move less than 30 inch to the ultrasonic sensor, the micro servo will rotate at 90 degree, shows that the door will be open. And if people move farther than 30 inch from the ultrasonic sensor, the micro servo will rotate at 0 degrees Celsius, shows that the door is closed. Next is the temperature sensor. If the temperature sensor sense temperature below 15 degrees Celsius, the blue LED will light up, shows that the surrounding temperature of the room is too cold. And if the temperature sensor sense the temperature from 15 degrees Celsius to the 40 degrees Celsius, shows the surrounding temperature is normal and the green LED will light up. However, if the sensor sense the temperature above 40 degrees Celsius, the red LED will light up, shows that the surrounding temperature of the room is too hot. Next, we move to the gas sensor and piezo. The gas sensor is the input and the output is the piezo. So the gas sensor will sense or detect the smoke of the fire. If the house is on fire and the smoke is too foggy, so the gas sensor will detect and the piezo will function, shows that the fire is on inside the house. So this will alert people inside the house to move out from the house as soon as possible. Next, the IR remote with its sensor. So the light bulb will control by the IR remote. If I press button 1, the light bulb will light up, and if I press button 0, the light bulb will switch off. Next, I'll be showing the code. These are the codes. Above shows the declaration, and below shows the coding for the IR receiver. Moving to the long ultrasonic distance coding. Next is the servo. This is the voice setup coding to detect which one is the input and which one is the output. So these are the void loop shows the functionality of each of the components for the smart home system. The first one is shows the rotation of the micro servo based on the ultrasonic distance. Next is the coding for the buzzer and gas sensor. The buzzer is the piezo itself. Next is the coding for the temperature and the LED. Lastly is the coding for the IR remote for the light bulb to switch on or switch off. And that's the end of the coding. Now I'll be showing the simulation for this smart home system. So I'll be showing the light bulb first. If I press 1, the light bulb will light up, and if I press 0, the light bulb will switch off. Next is the gas sensor. If the smoke moves near to the gas sensor, the piezo will start functioning. So if the smoke has been removed from the gas sensor, the piezo will switch off. Next, move to the temperature sensor. If the temperature is between 15 degrees Celsius to the 40 degrees Celsius, the green LED will light up. And if the temperature is below 15 degrees Celsius, the blue LED will light up. And lastly, if the temperature is above 40 degrees Celsius, the red LED will light up. That's the end for the temperature sensor and the LED. Then lastly, I'll be showing the micro servo and ultrasonic sensor. If people move near to the ultrasonic sensor with the distance below 30 inch, the micro servo will rotate at 90 degrees Celsius, shows that the door will be open. And if people move far away from 30 inch from the ultrasonic sensor, above 30 inch, the micro servo will rotate back to the 0 degrees Celsius, shows that to 0 degree, shows that the door is closed. That's all from me. The Smart Home System by Saiful Ridzwan. Thank you.